Welcome to Plutus IAS. Today I am going to talk about a very important program which every aspirant wait for it. This program is curated for everyone who has just started their journey or they are in the middle of their journey. For example, they have given 1 or 2 mains and they're looking for increase in their marks by 25 to 20%. Hi, I'm Samishta Sharma, your mentor for Geography Optional Subject. As you know, Geography Optional Subject is more of static and includes less of current affairs. So conceptual clarity in the examination is must. What will be covered in this comprehensive mentorship program? First thing is your PYQ inspired test. Lot of students focus on the content of the syllabus, but they forget to go back to the basics, which are your PYQs. PYQ always drops the hint for your next test of mains. So in this program, I'll be covering the PYQ inspired test. Apart from that, the whole mentorship program will be exam oriented. You will be given one-to-one interaction in order to analyze where you are lacking at. Whether you are lacking at the answer writing, you're not able to write the right content in the questions, or maybe there is difficulty in understanding the context of the question, or maybe you're not able to structure the question, your answer well. With the one-to-one interaction, we will be able to identify what are your weaknesses and will try to build on your strength. So this curated program for all the aspirants is going to help them in strategizing their whole UPSC journey, and also it will help them in giving a major boost in the prelims examination as well. Why I said so? Because geography option is one of the subject which not only helps in your mains, but it also considered very important for cracking your prelims. As you know, 30 to 35 questions in the prelims are directly or indirectly getting the reference from the geography and environment. So this automatically becomes very important. Apart from that, you will be also given the training that how you have to analytically think in the whole process. Not only training you for the particular geography optional subject, but it also gives you the right strength, the right kind of guidance in understanding if something unpredictable comes up. For example, some question comes up in the examination, then how to tackle that. Always remember that any examination is cracked only through the right strategy. Although we must be having all the weapons present with us. In this case, we consider the content, resources, and all kind of videos and the lectures available to us as the weapons. But whether are we using it in a right manner, and where there the strategy and the right guidance is required. So do join us in our mentorship program if you really want to get on the right path of UPSC journey. Thank you so much.